Prime Jester. Draw 4 community cards. If any of the drawn cards have a value that matches a card in your recruits or loyalists, place the drawn card to the row of the matching card. Then place drawn government red cards to recruits. Place remaining drawn cards in the neutral area. So I'm gonna go ahead and play Prime Jester. So we're gonna draw 4 community cards. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's a decent spread for us. So let's see. I have a 7, so I'm gonna place that there. I don't have an 8, so that's gonna go here. Let's see, I have a 5 in this row. I don't have a 13. But okay, so now that I've done that, this is a government red card, which will then let me take it to my recruits. And that's the Prime Jester. It's a bit of a gamble card.